we're gonna be riding this little 50. I have no idea how it's gonna carry both of us, but so we're gonna visit a abandoned truck.
Oh yeah, the neighbor's got new puppies. We're gonna go see that.
They're not gonna see that, but we're gonna go look at that abandoned truck. So let's go do that. He's getting it started. It's kind of
easy to start.
It's right down here. We're almost there.
Oh yeah, guys, you see a hole down there? That's where it is.
All right, guys. You see that down there?
It's an old Chevy C10.
It's a. How do you know?
I'm good with cars, okay? That's what I can say.
It's an old Chevy C10, I guess, but we are not.
Early 2000s and 1990s.
Okay, hopefully he's right,
Maybe
but
70s. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure the 70s.
but it's like everything's taken out of it. We're gonna try and get a full shot, but
Down there.
it's like
Dude, it's creepy down there. I have heard.
it's like, it looks like a Ford to me, but we're gonna try and get a full shot. There's bullet holes in it and lots of weird stuff. They took out the speakers and stuff, so I'm gonna try and get a fuller shot. It's just along this side of the road. This is a first video with my friend here. So we're just gonna beware. There's no poison oak. So we're just gonna come down here for a little bit, right? It's right here. There's bullet holes in the side everywhere, like right there. Oh, guys, we just found something.
That's a radiator, I think.
That's a radiator, yeah. I think because we found the tires that are right there. Well, guys, we're just gonna ride for a little bit, but this is pretty cool.
You see that two-ton?
Yeah.
Normal trucks don't have that. Normally they just did that with C10s.
Huh, that's kind of weird.
It's a C10 thing. I don't know why. And
Well,
that's common colors for C10.
Hopefully you're right, because
Common, please don't. If anyone knows any better than me, just please don't say anything like that. I don't
don't be mean to him. But look at that beauty. She's not busted and broken. So we're gonna meet you guys back on the bike. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys like and subscribe to see my next video.